visit the moon on a rocket ship high in the air. Yes, I'd like to visit the moon, but I don't think I'd wanna stay there. Though I'd like to look down at the earth from above, I would miss all the places and people I love. So although I might like it for one afternoon, I don't wanna live on the moon. Well, I'd like to visit the sea. I could meet all the fish everywhere. Yes, I'd travel under the sea, but I don't think I'd wanna stay there. I could stay for a day there if I had my wish, but there's not much to do when your friends are all fish, and an oyster and clam are not my family. So I don't wanna live in the sea. I'd like to visit a jungle, hear the lions roar, go back in time and meet a dinosaur. There's so many strange places I'd like to be, but none of them permanent.